Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Windows 11 is updated and the device is on stable power. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Device Manager and find Human Interface Devices or use Settings to access touchscreen options. Make a system restore point now so you can revert if a change causes issues, because driver edits and registry tweaks can alter system behavior. These first actions set a safe baseline and give you the tools needed for targeted repairs. Next, you focus on drivers and calibration, since most touch issues stem from these. First, uninstall the HID-compliant touchscreen driver in Device Manager, reboot, and allow Windows to reinstall it automatically. This refreshes corrupted driver files. Then run the built-in hardware and devices troubleshooter to detect conflicts. Make sure to recalibrate touch input in tablet PC settings so coordinates align correctly. If you have OEM utilities, use them to update firmware. These steps restore accurate touch mapping and responsiveness. To finish, thoroughly test single-touch, multi-touch, and gesture behavior across apps so you confirm the problem is resolved under real conditions. Make sure the screen is physically intact and clean with a microfiber cloth and manufacturer-approved cleaner, since dirt or damage can mimic software faults. If issues persist, roll back the driver or use your system restore point to undo recent changes, and then contact OEM support for hardware diagnostics. One key troubleshooting tip: if touch works intermittently, test in safe mode to isolate third-party interference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.